feel it coming in cold. Walk out the door and your way is where I wanna go. I got you tuning my soul. Your heart can beat it. It hits you deeper than a feeling.
Ate Bea, Jason, Ian.
You're the light in my room. You're the smile on my face. You're the flower.
Weighing 39 pounds, Kurt Vivas!
Can't imagine a life without you. Doing everything that I do. Ever since I found you. Ever since I found you.
Bye-bye na. Siyempre.
There's
Ilaw! Para ka Shane at Harold. Maliit! Pero solid!
and I'm learning how to walk it all out. All this freedom I found. Deeper than a feeling, more than just dreaming. You're the sun in my on my face.
YP, sobrang thank you! Alam mo palang gusto ko. I love you!
Imagine a life without you. Doing enjoy everything that I do. Ever since I found you. Found you. Ever since I found you. Ever since I found you. Ever since I found you. Oh, ever since I found you.
Ang pagmamahal ay pinalalago. Ang pagmamahal ay pinapaunlad. Pinapagtubay palalo.
Songs have probably all been sung.
Sino bang mag-aakala ng love story natin ay magsisimula sa isang calculator? Pangako ko, hindi ako mag-a-add ng problema, hindi ako magsusubtract ng oras para sa'yo, at kahit minsan nakakainis ako, hindi kita iiwan sa equation ng buhay ko.
But I wanna bring you something true, something that moves me from the dawn to the dusk of my days, from the depths of my soul and with all
Ang pagmamahal, tatandaan Harold at Shane, hindi lamang sa isip, hindi lamang sa puso. Ito ay ginagawa. Ito ay ipinapakita. May sakripisyo. Tulad ng ginawa ni Shane kanina. Ito mo? Para lamang umabot sa oras, naglakad.
Wala nang tara na, uwi na ako, gabi na. Ang tagal ko hinantay na may kasal tayo. Finally, matatapos ng taon na Mrs. Vivas na ako. Ipapangako sa'yo na araw-araw kitang pipilitin at pama. Kung dumating man ng araw na maguluhan tayo o mahirapan, nagka-problema o kung ano man, pangako ko sa'yo na pipiliin pa rin kita dahil sobrang mahal na mahal ko.
for the rest of my life, from the dawn to the dusk of my days, from the depths of my soul and with all of my strength. Here is my heart.
Thank you!
Just one phrase. Jesus,
Oy.
I love you, I love you. When I say it, I mean it, it's true.
Tanda mo pa ba noon na sinasabi ko lagi sa'yo, natiis ka lang, may magandang plano si Lord sa atin. Kaya lang lahat ng ito nangyayari. Mangangako kung hindi na ako laging magagalit at mas pipiling intindihin ka kahit mahirap. Sobrang mahal na mahal kita, Habi. I love you.
Love you.
Love you. Love you.
All it takes is a little faith, a little faith. All it takes is a little praise, a little praise. What a joy, what
So, Orlet Shane Vivas, mula calculator days hanggang golden anniversary. Ako to, yung lalaking hindi marunong sa math, pero siguradong ikaw ang sagot ko.